Right, this is going to be a channel about painting and cross stitch. This is going to be Shell's Crafting channel. This is what we're going to unbox. The I Spy Cat. And this is what the canvas looks like. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's quite a few colours in it. Colours in it. The colours in it. On the toolkit you get baggies, a pen, a tray, some wax and a gripper. This one, we've got colours. We've got cream, brown, cream, brown, a slightly light grey, I think this colour. We've got some dark brown, light brown, this colour, some grey, a circle, some light yellow, baby pink, pink, some more pink and some green. And that's all the colours. So we see where the EB goes. What colour is the EB? Six. So these are all the colours. And this is the BB colour. So let's see if we can find where AB goes. So 504. Turn it sideways so these are all the codes for diamond dots. Colours.